Good day. In this question, we are asked to solve this using dimensional analysis. So for number 4, for molecules of NaCl, this is equals to the mole, 1.50 mole, times 6.022 times 10 to the 23 molecules per mole. And this is equals to 9 times 10 to the 23 molecules of NaCl. Next, for number 5, we are asked to solve for the atoms of chlorine. So we have atoms of chlorine is equals to from 19 grams 19 grams of NaCl, or